a seed, a tree, an apple. Nature is expert at transformation. Process control, the technology of controlling an operation to produce consistent results, is humanity's attempt at it. Parker integrates a variety of technologies in process control to regulate the outputs of specific processes. In oil refining, Parker Process Control employs filtration, climate control and instrumentation, all incorporating sophisticated metallurgy to produce energy efficiently, safely and profitably. Parker Process Control technology is also applied in nuclear power generation, pulp and paper production, biopharmaceutical plants, and the semiconductor and integrated circuit industries, with products that are resistant to corrosive media and toxic environments. Change is good, and when done expertly and consistently, it's even better. Parker, engineering your success. Energy. More than ever, the world needs more of it to get where it's going. Fluid and gas handling. The science of directing and containing fluids and gases is going a long way to meet those needs. Parker fluid and gas handling technology is going 3,000 meters underwater to extract oil from the ocean floor. Its hoses and components are facing 1,360 bar of intense pressure, while virtually eliminating all leaks. Parker fluid and gas handling also provides precision cooling, hydraulic and pneumatic technologies on excavators, pneumatic technologies on appliances, and critical medical and aerospace solutions. Today, oil and gas meet 55% of the world's total energy demand. As you can see, Parker is giving 110% to meet that demand. Parker, engineering your success. Cold and sweet. A simple, timeless delight. Climate control. The science of controlling fluids and gases to vary temperature makes it all possible. In supermarket refrigeration systems throughout the world, Parker climate control technology is lowering energy costs and reducing carbon footprints while extending product shelf life. In farm equipment, in tractor trailers, in truck cabs, in construction equipment. Even in the precision cooling of heavy-duty electronics in power plants and wind turbines, Parker climate control technology is coolly in control. And that's pretty refreshing indeed. Parker, engineering your success. A spark, an insight. It turned electricity into a power that transformed our lives. Electromechanical motion technology, the science of controlling mechanical devices through electricity, is going even further. Parker electromechanical technology improves the control and precision of motion. In hybrid electric utility trucks, Parker electro-hydraulic actuation technology is used to lift the buckets and on the downward stroke to recharge onboard batteries. This allows crews to operate truck lifts all day with the engine off and to save up to 1,200 gallons of fuel and eliminate 13 metric tons of CO2 emissions per truck per year. From life science labs and semiconductor fabrication to factory automation and more, Parker electromechanical technology keeps production on schedule and on the leading edge. Parker, engineering your success. A sip, a splash, a wave. We're surrounded by it. We're made of it. Water is essential. Without filtration, the science of purifying liquids, we would be in critical short supply. Parker filtration technology is doing amazing things with water. Parker is making seawater drinkable through a super efficient reverse osmosis process. But it doesn't stop with desalination. From fuel and hydraulic systems to compressed air and gas treatment, on trucks and buses, on boats and ships, in buildings, on jets, even in food and beverage production, Parker Filtration separates the bad from the necessary. And that's just pure progress. Parker, engineering your success. A handful of earth. Moving it from one place to another is the basis of civilization. Excavating it, lifting it and moving it is the business of hydraulics, the technology of controlling pressurized fluids to create force and motion. Parker hydraulic technology is performing on a massive scale the world over. We're revitalizing infrastructure. And in developing countries, we're building roads, bridges, water and sewage systems. We're in wind turbines, auto manufacturing, the machine tool business, and oil and gas drilling and exploration. Today, Parker hydraulic hybrid drive and electro-hydraulic technology is actually recapturing energy from expended energy, increasing efficiency up to 70%. This simple technology is performing feats once reserved only for superheroes. And Parker hydraulic technology is using it to lift unbelievable loads and entire nations. Parker, engineering your success. Air and speed. A simple combination creates the complex miracle of flight. Parker Aerospace plays a significant part in countless aspects of this daily miracle. From flight control, hydraulic and fuel systems, to fluid conveyance and engine systems. Right now, Parker is supplying much of the world's fleet with a critical technology that reduces the risk of fuel tank combustion by replacing oxygen with nitrogen. With smart electronics and innovative engineering, Parker is increasing efficiency and reducing emissions. From fueling and taking off to cruising and landing, from commercial and military, even on unmanned aerial vehicles, Parker know-how is on board every machine that traverses the skies. We hope you've enjoyed flying with Parker. Parker, engineering your success. Air. It lifts us and propels us forward. Pneumatics, the science of controlling pressurized gases to create force and motion, moves us in a myriad of ways. Parker pneumatic technology is on board with hundreds of rail, bus and truck operators in thousands of places around the globe, building, maintaining and keeping vehicles running safely and right on time. Parker Pneumatics and System Solutions run so deep they can reduce assembly time by 70% and reduce suppliers from 8 to 1. Parker Pneumatic technology is also moving full speed ahead in food processing, furniture manufacturing, and even the smelting of aluminium. Air may be something hard to grasp, but in the right hands, it's doing astonishing things. Parker, engineering your success. A call, an email, a restaurant review, all out of the blue. Sealing and shielding, the science of providing tight and perfect closure, is part of why it can actually happen. Parker sealing and shielding technology is in the cellular transmission tower, making calls possible, and in the cell phone, protecting its intricate circuitry from electromagnetic interference. Parker sealing and shielding technology is also applied in computers, cars, airplanes, and in many medical devices, from asthma inhalers to dialysis machines and catheters. Parker is engineering seals out of specialized material formulations designed to maintain their integrity in the harshest environments. A seal, a simple thing, yet it can take us where we've never been before. Parker, engineering your success.